Hello, everyone. I would like to wish a very good morning to our lecturer, Madam Noor Fadlin, and to all my fellow friends. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself and to all my team members. My name is Amirul Asraf bin Ibrahim, and my team members are Shano Adha bin Shahjahan, Zaleha binti Razali, Nur Haziati binti Muhammad Rapi, and Priscilla Dieni anak Derek. Our team has chosen Asia as the topic for our case study today. So, as we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on aviation industry due to travel restrictions and a slump in demand among travelers. It has resulted in flights being cancelled or planned flying empty between airports, which in turn massively reduce revenues for airlines and force many airlines to lay off employees or declare bankruptcy. Malaysia's Air Asia Berhad fell to a net loss in the first quarter and 4 straight quarterly loss in order to survive. They are working their way to secure the company from falling due to the crisis. That is the reason why Asia has made some changes to their organization. Due to the pandemic crisis, Asia had to lay off 10% of their 24,000 of employees and might be planning a new round of layoffs involving hundreds of its personnel. Asia also has proposed restructuring of its debt in order to survive. The carrier has proposed a restructuring of 15.3 billion of its debt and reducing its share capital by 90%. AirAsia also has proposed network rationalization, aircraft fleet right-sizing, cost-based overhaul, and workforce optimization. It is all aimed at ensuring a leaner and more sustainable business going forward. It can help to reduce costs and increase more revenue for them. AirAsia X continues to engage all the key business partners and hopes to enter into contracts agreements that are reflective and supportive of the airline's business plan upon successful completion of the restructuring. So why AirAsia has made some changes to their organization? So it is their responsibility to address concerns of safe flying surrounding COVID-19. It is important for Asia to be able to monitor the situation, provide a safe workplace, and offer their employees the support that they need. AirAsia need to implement preventive measures throughout terminals to deal with the outbreak. It has required all of them working in the aviation to adapt and learn as we go. That's been really important to make sure that the company is in the best possible position to support a strong recovery in the future. The aviation industry, such as AirAsia, play a role in limiting the spread of communicable diseases and to prevent the spread of the disease. They have to learn from this particular outbreak, and new procedures will find their way into airport operational guidelines and industry best practices for the future.
Let's go to the next part of this presentation, which is impact of the change made towards the ASEAN. Actually, the article have mentioned there are several changes made by ASEA X. First is the revisions of the business plan. They changed the traditional business plans by introducing the short hauls and regional travel. This is the way to help them to continue their business when they're facing the critical challenge. Second changes made is re-engineering of the organization in different roles. Introduce the new roles in these organizations was create a level of pressure amongst the employee. But what they do is they have to ensure the teams is in highly motivated and well managed because they need to face the new roles in the organizations. So the management have to prepare proper plans and strategy before implement the re-engineerings. Besides these two changes, The management of ASIAX also develops the new work culture by introducing the new knowledge and skills in technology digital. They know the digital business become more adaptive during this time because the digital business create innovative culture change as a baseline for globalization business trend. But the weakness of the technology digital, they will destroy the previous senior knowledge. It means the oldest or the seniors employee in the departments, they cannot catch up with the new technology. Not just a new work culture, but they're also introducing the new standard of procedure during the pandemics, where they have add additional investment for safety and health, introduce the new SOP to ensure the passenger have a safe journey with them. All the changes made by the organizations or the management of ASIAX have give impacts mostly to the employee, where most of them have lost their job, lost their income, and have a difficulty to find other jobs. This is create high depressions amongst the employee of ASIA. Before ends the presentations, I need to conclude it such as during the pandemics of COVID-19, ASEAN need to change their strategy in the organizations in order to ensure the business keep increasing. And they have get a best input. ASEAN also have to make unemployment increase where they have to resizing their employees in their airlines. As you can see, it will be an extreme challenge faced by the management to continue operate without any visibility or certainty of the post-pandemic recovery path. Due to the strategy, ASEAN managed to operate their business even though there are many obstacles that caused by the pandemics. Besides that, the managements also have to give a best service to their guests to make sure their guests feel confidence fly with them. That's all from our teams. Thank you, madams, and thank you, guys.